This free tutorial will guide you through on how to delete videos on Telegram completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step number 1, open up the chat or the group that you would like to delete a video clip. In this case, if you want to access a video clip, let's say you want to delete, there's a couple different ways you can do so. You can right click on the video clip in Telegram and click the second to last option, delete. Telegram will ask and confirm, are you sure you want to delete this message? Another way to delete videos on Telegram is to go to the top left hand screen and click these 3 lines. Scroll down until you see settings and click the 6th option, advanced, underneath folders and speakers and camera. And then now you want to click the 3rd setting, manage local storage. If you scroll down, you can clear or delete videos by clearing the media cache and click OK completely for free.